Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to join a workstation to the domain. Let's get started. I have my Windows 10 is running right now, and it's not a part of a domain or anything, it's just a standalone workstation. Let's say we're getting a new employee to our department, to our company. Let's say he's coming for our engineering department, and we're going to assign this computer to them. First of all, this computer, let's go and see the computer name of this computer. There are many ways to go and see. I'm gonna go by the easier way for me. I'm just click on the File Explorer and then right click on this PC and go into the properties of that. This will take you to the system information, and you can see here um, the computer name, desktop dash HG7. These are its when you install the computer without specifying any of the useful name, this will automatically assign a name of this. And also this work group, the computer is not a part of a domain or anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the name of this computer. I'm going to click on change settings here. I clicked on change settings, and then computer description. This is for engineering department because we have this employee coming to work in our engineering department. So I'm going to put the description of this computer as engineering. So I'm going to click on change here, and then I'm going to change the name of this. As you can see, this computer name is we're going to change the name to our coming the new employee. Let's say we're getting to our engineering department dot lar Patricia LR. And as you can see here, this is currently on work group. It's not a part of a domain, so we're gonna join this workstation to be part of a domain. So I'm gonna select the domain here. As you can see, our domain, what's our domain name? Let's go into the server here, click on the server manager. I'm going to open the server manager, and then I'm going to go into the tools, Active Directory users and computers, and we see our domain name is thiru.local. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, enter thiru.local, and then I'm going to say OK here. And this will ask for a username and password to change that to domain. So I set me as an IT administrator, so I have my users username and password. I'm gonna put that username and password. Let's say I'm the IT administrator setting this computer, so I'm gonna put the password here, and then I'm gonna say OK. And if everything is good, and then this should say welcome to the domain. As you can see here, it says welcome to the thiru.local domain. So this computer is successfully added to the to be become part of a domain. I'm going to say OK here on this, and then you must restart your computer to apply your changes. I'm going to say OK, and then apply. So it's going to say restart now. I'm going to restart the computer, and then we're going to see the changes. So the PC is up now. So we're going to log into the PC with the regular the the local with the local username and password. Login. Now we are going to verify whether this connected, this become part of a domain or not. What we're going to do is we're going to go into the system properties area again. So what we're going to do is we're going to go at the same area again. We're going to click on the file explorer, and right click on this PC, go into the properties. Just taking a little time, extra time. Let me see. We are in that system information area, properties area, and you can see here the name we changed that to Patricia Lar, and the full computer name is patricia-lar.thiru.local, and our domain name is thiru.local. So it's become part of a domain, a member of a domain, and you see that a computer description that we changed to engineering. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and I will see you again on the next one. Thank you.